Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral maths question. Those who have already solved this, go and comment the right answer. I will give them heart and I will solve this stepwise with the help of PEMDAS. Okay, what we have? Parenthesis 7 plus 1 into parenthesis 12 divided by 6. As we know, first preference will be given to parenthesis 4. We will solve both part. And in that case, if they have the same priority, I will solve from left to right. Okay, 7 plus 1 which equals to 8 into 6 divided by 12. 12 divided by 6 which is 2. Okay, now 8 into 2 which equals to 16. So here 16 will be the right answer. For those who want more maths like this, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Check out best maths books in the description.